Welcome to my new video on phone clinic. This is VILLAON V40 series. As you can see, this is VILLAON Android mobile phone, and today I want to teach you how to hard reset this phone. Probably if you forget your password or your phone is running slow and you want to hard reset it, I'm going to show you in this video how you can hard reset it. Try the default code 00, it's not unlocking it. You can see it's showing wrong pin. So now the first thing you do, you're going to power off the phone. Power it off as I'm doing like this. Power off the phone completely. You can see. Power it off. Power it off. Now you can see. Now the phone has shut down completely. Now this is the power button and this is the volume down button. Now you're going to hold the volume down button and the power button the same time. You are going to press and hold it like this. Press and hold it until you see the VILLAON logo on the screen, and then you release the power button. Now keep holding until you see the logo. Okay, so that I can enter the Android recovery menu. So keep holding and you can release it now. You leave it and then keep holding the volume down button. Keep holding the volume until you see the menu. Now you can release it. This is the Android recovery menu. Now you scroll down to factory reset, wipe data. You can see, and then you select it. You can see it's formatting data now. You can see data wipe complete at the bottom of the screen. You can see it. You can see it. Formatting data, data wipe complete. Now you have successfully hard reset this phone, and now you can configure it and set it up for use. Thank you for watching, and please follow me for more videos. See you again in my next video. Bye for now.